What are collinear points that we have to? Board is clear. You have to understand the definition of collinear point. Collinear point means three or more points which lie on the same line are called which lie on the same line one minute. Three or more points. Yes. Three or more points good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Now it is clear, right? Collinear point. We are seeing the definition of collinear points. Collinear points. Exercise 10.2. We have to solve question number 8. We have to solve question number. Seventh one is omitted. We have done up to 6. Seventh one is omitted. This seventh one is omitted. Seventh one is omitted. You put the cross. Yes. Now to solve it, we have to understand the concept of collinear points. Collinear point means 3 points or more than 3 points. They are called collinear points when they lie on the same line. When they lie on one single line or same line, for example PQRS, all the 4 points they lie on one line. So points PQRS are called collinear points. So point example, three or more points which lie on the same line are called collinear points. Fundamental concept of geometry, chapter number 10. Yes, you're right. Now join the yes. Now we are doing eighth one. Wait. We are wait. What you're saying that I'm listening. Now it is clear, right? Yeah. 3 or more points which lie on the same line are called collinear points. Now 8th we have to do. We are given the points. See, in the textbook only you join the points if you have. Example you write for collinear points. Join this. This is my I, H, then join them. J, pen or pencil, both you can use. You can use. Yes. I, H, G, D. I, H, G, D. G, D. These points are there. Then A, B, C, D. 1 minute. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. 1 minute. A, B, C, D. Wait. It is clear, right? A, B, C, D. Then we have E, F. E, F. Now join the collinear point. See, the collinear point. Collinear point means, see, collinear point means they are in one line. So these 3 points I can join. Collinear point. Example, I have drawn a line on which I have taken the point PQRS. PQRS are the points on that line. So points PQRS lie on one single line. So points, notebook or textbook. 8th one you can do in the textbook, no problem. IHJK you join. IHGD. If you see that IHGD, yes, do it. IHGD, yes, IHGD, if you see in the textbook, then DEF, they are, then ABCD, they are in one line. ABCD, they are in one line. So these points are called collinear points. Page number 146. Then AHJK is also there. See, AHJK is also there. If you see the textbook, AHJK, AHJK, they are also collinear points. Collinear point means all the points, they lie on one single line. So when all the points, they lie on one single line, the points, yes, all the points, yes, no need to make that, you can do in that only. So all the points, if they lie on one single line, then those points are called collinear points. The points are called collinear points if they lie on one single line. If they lie on the one single line, the points are called collinear points. Now my question is, see, 8th one we have done. But before that, my question is, all of you think over this and give the answer. This is my point PQ. This is one line. Then this is my point RS. Now my question is, PQRS are collinear points. Just think over this. No. You tell me. This is not there in the textbook. P and Q, they lie on this line. No. Don't write. No. This should not be written. I am just asking you the doubt. PQ and RS, whether PQRS, all the 4 points are collinear. No need to write. You have to first understand whether all the 4 points are collinear. No. The point P and Q are collinear, and the point R and S are collinear, because all the 4 points, only 2 point lies on this line, 2 point lies on another line. So you can take 2 points PQ are collinear and points RS are collinear, but when you take combined PQRS, all the 4 points. Yes, ask the doubt. Yes. So it, yes, it can be for 2 point also. Yes. It can be more than line segment. So let us. Yes. Write the question number 9. Write the question number 9. Points Yes, you can take. No, A, B, C, D, E, F. It will not be one. A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D are collinear and E, F are collinear. Because this line, when you will extend, it will go like this. So write points. Ninth one. Points P, Q, R. Points P, Q, R are collinear. Points. Now I am writing question number 9. Points P, Q, R are collinear, and points R, S, T are collinear. Are collinear. R points P, Q, R, S, T. R points P, Q, R, S, T. R points P, Q, R, S, T. P, Q, R, S, T always collinear. R point P, Q, R, S, T always collinear. Give reason. And draw figure in each case. Yes. R points P, Q, R, S, T always collinear. That question mark. Draw figure in both case. Draw figures in both case. So now this we have to understand. This ninth one we have to understand. Ninth one we have to understand. Yes. Now this R points P, Q, R, S, T collinear. R point P, Q, R, S, T collinear. That we have to explain. Yes. Yes. Now points P, Q, R are collinear. Yes. Draw figures in both case. Yes. Please do not do that. Nobody will do anything else apart from study. So now, see, let us write this answer of this. First we have to understand this question. Point P, Q, R are collinear and point R, S, T are collinear. So let us take one line. Draw that. P, Q, R. So this is my point P, this is my point Q, this is my point R. So P, Q, R are collinear, yes or no? Yes. Because P, Q, R are collinear because they lie on one single line, correct? Okay. So P, Q, R are collinear. Now further, the point R, S, T. R is already there. So take one more point S, one more point T. Now you take the point R, S, T. Whether the points R, S, T are collinear? Yes? Yes. Whether the point R, S, T are collinear? R, S, T. See here. Today I will check the chat box and take the action. Do not worry. The point P, Q, R are collinear. Yes. Point PQR are collinear because they lie on one line. Then point RST are collinear because they lie on the same line. Are you getting? So now R point PQRST always collinear. R point PQRST always collinear. Yes. Now tell me whether PQRST are collinear always. Now in this case, write down. In this case, points PQRST are collinear. Yes or no? Because you can clearly see all the points, they lie on one single line. No? Yes? Because all the points PQRST, they lie on one single line. So in this case, all the points are collinear. Now let us take the second case. This you write case 1. This you write case 1. This is my case 1 where the points are collinear. Now let us take case 2. Let us take case 1 and case 2 you have to write. Now let us take let us take the point PQR. Let us take the point PQR. This is my one line. Let us take the point. In this case, points PQR are collinear. The points PQR are collinear, no? Because PQRST, all the points, they lie on one single line, so points are collinear. Now let us take another case. Let us take the another case, PQR and RST. So let us take the another case. We take this as P, this as Q, and this is my R. Then from R, we have one line this. This is my S, R, this is my S, and this is my P. Right? Yes. 1 minute. Now, now it is clear, right? PQR, it is clear, right? PQR and RST, whether the points are collinear, tell me. They are lying on the rays. Now see here, RP and RT, they are not same line, no? Yes. RP and RT, they are two rays. Yes or no? They are two rays. They are two different rays, no? Now first case, see here. Yes. Case 1 and case 2. Case 1, the point, P is there. PQRST, the points PQRST are collinear in case 1. Now I have taken second case. You can take any order. No, I have taken PQR. Then I have taken RST in this way. Now RP and RT, they are right. RP and RT, they are different rays. RP. Case second, see. Now case second, see. First case, wait. In first case, the point PQRST, they are collinear. Yes. Now let us take second case. You can take the point. 1 minute. Yes. Now see here. Now let us take case 2 in this way. You can take the case 2 in this way. This is my point. Now if you see RP and RT, what are RP and RT? Yes. See here. You can take the point PQR are collinear. Then RST are collinear. But when you will take combine PQRST, you are getting two different rays. The point PQR lies on one ray and the point RST lies on another ray. So when the point lies on two different rays, the points need not be collinear. Yes. So write the point, the rays RP and RT are different. The rays RP and RT are different rays, and therefore the point PQRST are not collinear. RST are not collinear points. Are not collinear. So in one case, see here, in case 1 the points are collinear, but in case 2 the points are not collinear. So when one case it is not collinear, one case it is collinear, so our final conclusion is it is not collinear always. So our answer is points, answer is no, points PQRST are not collinear always. Are not collinear always. In some cases we have seen, in case 1 it is collinear, but in case 2 it is not collinear. So if it is collinear, if in both the case it is collinear, if it is collinear in both the case, then it is collinear always. But in one case it is collinear, one case it is not collinear. So finally it is not collinear. Yes. Where it is blurred? It is very much clear, right? Right. Now, 1 minute, we'll see. Now we have to see this concurrent line. We have to see the definition of concurrent line. To see the definition of concurrent line. So collinear point means all the points. Collinear point means all the points they lie on one single line. Now we'll see the definition of concurrent lines. So write on this. First you have to understand concurrent lines. Concurrent lines. Right, concurrent lines. Yes. So concurrent lines, three or more lines which pass through three or more lines which pass through the same point, are concurrent lines, are said to be, which pass through the same point are said to be concurrent lines. Now let us take the example. We have the line L, we have another line M, then we have another line N. There are three lines L, M, N. There are three lines L, M, N. Now whether these three lines are concurrent lines? Yes. The three lines are concurrent line because they pass through the same point O. Yes. Yeah, now see here, we are using the concept intersecting line for two lines. Yes, very good. When there are two lines, we say they are intersecting line. But when there are more than two lines, we say they are concurrent line if they pass through the same point. Is it clear? And here this point O is called which pass through the same point are said to be three or more lines which pass through. This point O is called point of concurrence. Point O is said to be point of concurrence. Concurrent lines. Three or more lines which pass through the same point are said to be concurrent lines. When there are two lines, you will say they are intersecting line. But when there are more than three lines, three or more than three lines, if they meet each other at one common point, then we say they are concurrent lines. So for three or more lines which pass through the same point are said to be concurrent lines. Now there are three lines L, M, N. They meet each other at O. This point O is called point of concurrence. When two lines cut each other, that point is known as point of intersection. So similarly here also we have point of point of concurrence. Now let us solve. 1 minute. Now let us do 10th one. Let us do 10th one. The point PQR are concurrent. The point PQR are concurrent. Let us solve 10th one. Lines PQR are concurrent. Lines PQR are O is called point of concurrence. Point of concurrence. Lines PQR are concurrent. Also lines PST are concurrent. PST are concurrent. The lines PST are concurrent. The lines PQR are concurrent and the line PST are concurrent. Wait. Are lines 1 minute. R lines PQRST. It is given small one. PQRST. Are the lines PQRST always concurrent? 1 minute. Are always concurrent. Wait, how it is? It is clear, right? Yes. No. Please, it is very much clear. Are always concurrent. No, don't send me. Give reason. Draw figure in each case. Draw figures in both case. Wait. Draw figure in both case. So now, see, this question is same as the point of collinear. You were given 3-point collinear, then another 3-point collinear, whether all the 4 points taken together are collinear. The same logic is applied here. The same logic. Yes. Nobody will present. huh, the points are collinear. The points are collinear. Wait. The lines are. You see your internet, no? Now it is clear, right? Huh. 1 minute. Yes, 1 minute. Right. Now line, there are yes, I am explaining. The lines, the line PQR. Wait. Now let us take answer. Write the answer. We write case one. See, the line PQR. The line PQR are collinear. This is my P. This is Q. This is my line Q, and this is my line R. Now all the three lines, they meet at one point, so line PQR are collinear. Yes. Then the line PST are also collinear. P is there. Take another line PST. You can take another line. This is my line S, and this is my line T. Concurrent. The lines are concurrent and the points are collinear. So right here lines PQRST are concurrent lines. Here all the four lines PQRST, all the 5 lines are concurrent lines because they meet each other at one point O. Now let us take another case. Let us take another case. We take PQR. We take the case PQR. We take 1 minute. See, the line PQRST. There are the line PQRST. All the 5 lines, they meet each other at point O. So all the 5 lines are concurrent line. Let us take one example. PQR and PST. Let us take one line. This bigger line as P. Let us take this bigger line as P. Then we take the point line as S. Another line. This is my line S. PS. Then we take another line T. This is my line T. Now line PST, they are concurrent because they meet each other single point. Now let us continue this line. Let us take this line as Q. This is my P, and this line as R. Now they are not concurrent. They are not concurrent. Yes, they meet at 2 points. One point is O, other is O dash. They meet each other at, so they are not concurrent. But we have the time, so write. Wait, no, 2 minutes. 1 minute is there. So wait. No. Line PQRST. PQRST are not concurrent because they meet each other at 2 different points, O and O dash. So answer is no. Lines PQRST are not concurrent always. Are not concurrent always. So they are not always concurrent, because in case 2 they meet each other at 2 points O and O dash. Yes, now we stop here. Yes. Now we. Yes. Bye.